I hope this video helps. Please check out the playlist, Evidence for Christianity, Evidence for the Bible, End Times, and the Book of Revelation. I'll leave links in the description for all four. Enjoy. Got my point of view camera set up here. So I'm going to show you how to properly use a rototiller today. So for this video, I'm going to be using my Sun Joe electric rototiller cultivator. I'll leave a link in the description. I am an Amazon associate, so I do get earnings from any qualifying purchases from my link. So if you watch a commercial video for this one, or if you watch the top 2 Google results, you're going to see somebody that's pushing their rototiller like this. They're going forward. Why don't you do that? Please support my channel by leaving a super thanks below. And if you get this item, use the link that's in the description. And if you join Robinhood through a link that I'll leave in the description, we'll both get a free stock. Continue watching. Because you're going to be walking right where you just rototilled. You're going to be smashing down the soil that you just tilled up. And you don't want to do that because then it doesn't dry out the ground and kill all the weeds that you just tilled up. So the proper way to do it, first of all, you want to go ahead and get your depth set correctly. I'm going to pull this out. I want it to go down as deep as it possibly can. I'm going to set it up all the way. Alright, once you get the depth set on your tires, then you go, start it, and go backwards. And that's going to take care of all your footprints. Wow. There you go, now you know. So there you go, no footprints left behind, and you can just use a metal rake to kind of even out the soil. And when you're tilling in reverse, it allows your tiller to get down deep into the soil, and you can really till it up good. If you're tilling walking forward, you're gonna kind of just run it along the top of the soil. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you want to connect with me, I have a public group on MeWe called Share Your Trade. I'll leave a link of that in the description. Thanks for watching.